Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve sales analytics with Tableau, full guide step by step clearly. Open Tableau and connect to your sales data source. Choose the appropriate connection type for your data, whether it's a file or a database. Once connected, navigate to the Data Source tab to review your data fields. Ensure your data is clean and formatted correctly for analysis. Drag relevant fields into the worksheet to begin building your visualizations. Start by creating a simple chart to visualize sales over time. Use the date field on the columns shelf and the sales field on the rows shelf. Experiment with different chart types to find the best fit for your data. Apply filters to narrow down the data you're analyzing. For example, you can filter by region, category, or time frame. Incorporate calculated fields to derive new insights from existing data. To create a calculated field, click on the drop-down arrow in the data pane and select Create Calculated Field. Use functions to calculate metrics such as percentage growth or total sales. Once your calculations are in place, integrate them into your visualizations. Add parameters to allow users to interactively select different scenarios. For instance, users could choose between viewing sales data by product line or by region. Utilize Tableau's dashboard feature to combine multiple visualizations into one comprehensive view. Drag your created sheets onto the dashboard area, arranging them for optimal clarity. Use action filters to enable interactions between different elements on the dashboard. This allows users to click on one part of the dashboard to filter data on another. Customize your dashboard by adding titles, legends, and interactive features. Consider incorporating data storytelling techniques to highlight key insights. Incorporate annotations to explain significant trends or anomalies in the data. Regularly update your data source to ensure your analytics are current. Schedule data refreshes if your data source supports it. Export your dashboard to share with team members and stakeholders. Choose the appropriate format based on your audience's needs. Finally, review and iterate on your visualizations based on feedback to continually improve your sales analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.